In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Roblox textures. So this is a very easy tutorial. Step 1, you have to go to the search icon or menu and then type Roblox. Now click Open File Location. Once you're here, right click again and then go to Open File Location. Next is go to Platform Content, go to PC, go to Textures, and then all you have to do is to simply select all these folders. Okay, we're going to delete that later. But let's proceed to step 2 first. You have to go to your desktop and then click or open new folder. And then all you have to do is to select all and then copy this to this folder here on your desktop. Okay, but kindly do not delete the following. You can leave some textures here. It's okay if you don't delete all. Okay, so but if you want to delete, if you want to remove some textures in your Roblox, this is what you're going to do. Now, step 3, open a new folder and kindly rename it to Client Settings. Step 4, you have to open Notepad and then kindly paste or type this one. Okay, you just have to follow this one. And then click File, tap Save As, and then rename it to Client Settings. Okay, and then kindly click Save. After that, drag this file to your client settings on your Roblox. Step 5, what you're going to do is to simply change this client settings from TXT into JSON. Okay, so to do that, you just have to right click. Okay, right click this one and then rename and then change this into JSON. And that's it. Now, when you open your Roblox, you will notice that some of the textures has changed. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.